Are you ready to actually make money online this year? No fluff, no scams. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into the absolute best verified income streams for 2026. If you're a beginner looking for realistic ways to start earning from your laptop right here in the US, you are in the exact right place. Let's get into it.
So, the big question, can you actually earn real money online without falling for all that get-rich-quick hype? Absolutely. We are completely throwing out the fake gurus today. Instead, we're looking exclusively at practical, legit methods everyday Americans are using to generate real cash right now.
$10,000 a month. Listen, that's not a lottery ticket. That is the very real monthly revenue some people are hitting by treating these side hustles like actual businesses. We're going to break down the realistic income ranges so you know exactly what's possible when you actually put in the work.
Here's our blueprint. We've got 10 methods grouped into 4 categories: the content creation boom, freelance and gigs, e-commerce and digital goods, and monetizing your community. Finally, we'll cover exactly how to start your journey.
All right, category 1, the content creation boom. You definitely don't need to be a Hollywood celebrity to make money in content anymore.
Looking at our first 3 methods here, you'll immediately see some clear lanes. Whether you want to stay totally behind the scenes or step up to help out established creators, there's a specific skill level and income potential tailor-made for you.
First up is faceless YouTube automation. This is honestly brilliant because it completely takes away the pressure of being on camera. By focusing on things like ASMR, ambient sounds, or just voice narration, you can build a massive audience and generate ad revenue entirely through storytelling, all while staying completely anonymous. Next, we've got 2 massively in-demand skills. You could realistically pull in $200 to $1,500 a month just by clipping viral shorts for established creators. Everyone needs short-form content right now, and they will absolutely pay you to edit it. Or you could jump into UGC, user-generated content. Basically, you're making authentic, review-style videos directly for brands. It's heavily in demand and incredibly lucrative. Moving right along to category 2, freelancing and digital gigs. If content creation isn't your jam, providing direct services might just be your golden ticket.
In the gig economy, you essentially have 2 main paths. On one hand, you can offer highly specialized freelance skills to clients who are actively hunting for talent. On the other hand, you can knock out straightforward, low-barrier digital tasks that require literally 0 prior training.
By freelancing in a specific niche on major platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can quickly target your first $500. And hey, as you build up that reputation, that same path can scale all the way up to 10 grand a month. It really just comes down to picking your niche and delivering top-tier quality.
Now, if you want some initial cash flowing fast, you gotta look into paid research and data labeling. But stick to verified platforms like Prolific and Cloud Research. Because of the whole AI boom, tech companies are desperate for human feedback, and they are literally paying everyday people just like you to provide it.
So this brings us to a really vital concept. Freelancing and data labeling, that's active gig income. You're trading your time directly for cash. But now, we're going to pivot to passive e-commerce income. This is all about building systems and products that sell while you sleep.
Which brings us perfectly to category 3, e-commerce and digital goods. This is exactly where you detach your time from your earning potential. These 4 methods are absolutely dominating the 2026 landscape. From infinitely scalable digital files to riding the wild social commerce wave, let's break down exactly where you might fit into this puzzle.
Selling digital products is a phenomenal strategy. Why? Because you build the asset one single time. You could spend a weekend crafting a killer AI prompt pack, a slick Notion template, or an ebook. Once it's done, it becomes an infinitely scalable asset. You can sell it 100 times or 1,000,000 times, and your extra inventory costs are exactly 0.
But if physical products are more your style, you can ride the massive wave of TikTok Shop, where entertainment seamlessly blends right into shopping. Or you could launch a dropshipping store. With dropshipping, you sell a trending product, but a third-party supplier handles the inventory and ships it directly to your customer. You literally never even touch the box.
And definitely don't forget about print on demand and digital royalties. You can design graphics for t-shirts or mugs and have them printed only when somebody actually buys one. Or upload your digital creations to huge platforms like Gumroad or Shutterstock and earn royalties every single time someone licenses your work. It's a fantastic passive income layer.
All right, our final category explores the immense power of monetizing your community. This is basically the holy grail for creators. Think about it.
If you can cultivate a really engaged, loyal online following around a specific niche, offering exclusive access through paid memberships is one of the absolute most reliable ways to generate recurring revenue. Your audience pays a monthly fee for premium content, direct access to you, or just a private space to connect.
So, we've rapidly covered 10 legitimate methods. Now, for Category 5, how to actually start your journey today.
To avoid the trap of feeling totally overwhelmed, I want you to follow this strict 3-step framework. Step 1. Pick just one method. Seriously, don't try all 10 at once. Step 2. Learn the basic skills for that specific niche. And Step 3. Launch it this week. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time.
If this explainer helped you cut through the noise and find your next real side hustle, hit that like button and subscribe. We're constantly breaking down the most realistic, data-backed income strategies to help you succeed online.
I'm going to leave you with this final, crucial question. Out of these 10 proven paths we just explored, which single method are you going to commit to right now and launch this week? The opportunity is sitting right in front of you. Choose your path, put in the work, and I will see you in the next explainer.